I just did the Coke and Mentos challenge and this happened. But now we are going to go on the bike ride with Brad once again. Don't worry, I'll try and keep the camera as still as possible for you guys. And yeah, we'll get ready when we're going.
Well, going, I will be doing some mud jump on the BMX.
So yeah,
The BMX.
Go!
Have you unpaused it yet?
Brad just wanted to know if I unpaused it. That's Brad.
Right, go on.
Sunshine.
Oh.
Sit car over there, just saying. My brakes away. Right. We'll go past this car here. Oh. Now we're going to Bidston. We're going Bidston. It's Ashurst Primary. And we are almost there. Aren't we, Brad? We are going to go down a massive hill now. That Coke and Mentos sick, wasn't it, Brad? So yeah, please subscribe to this channel. I just failed then. But subscribe, please. Don't yet ring the bell. Brad said. Brad, if you didn't know me, what would you say to my channel? I don't know what he said there. We might go on the park over here for a bit. You think, Brad? Brad wheeling. So yeah, we'll see you when we're there. We are here now. I'm sorry about the camera in. It's pretty bad because it's all blurry. It'll soon get on blurry. So yeah. See what happens if I click that. Won't do now. I'll pause it till it's all ready. Right, we are back. It's perfectly working now. But let's go show you how this is done. That's really how you do it, isn't it, Brad? Yeah. Let me show you. Oh, that fell. Brad, why don't you record me doing this? Show you how it's done. I'll show you how it's done. Brad's going to record now. Hey. How you do it? How to hold the camera now, Brad.
Let me show you how it's done.
This might be the end of the video. And my time is running out. Isn't it? So this is going to be the last one for us. There we go. So yeah, so don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you...
Ding ding.
Brad said he wants to hear ding ding from it. Just smash that like button, guys. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
We want to hit well over 50 likes.
50 likes in this video, Brad says. We'll see if it comes. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video and see ya. Peace out. Peace out.